Hello everyone. I want to say best of luck to all the aspirants, whoever is going to take GATE Aerospace 2023 exam from my coaching center, and for those also who have enrolled in different coaching center or they are doing self-study. But this message I want to convey only to those students who have enrolled in my coaching center. So first of all, thank you so much for believing in me, and by going through my guidance and whatever test series, whatever study material, whatever videos I have provided, and you trusted in everything. And for all these many days, whatever everything. So this video will be somewhat lengthier, like 5 to 10 minutes. So if you have time, please watch, because this is kind of emotional message I want to share here. This is really a big thing. You guys are giving me money as a fees, and this should be worth whatever I am giving you in this fees, that must be worth for you. You came to me with the intention of qualifying GATE exam. So whatever is required, whatever kind of hard work or classes, everything, whatever I have done from my side, complete 1 year. And even though I have several types of batches this year, including test series students to regular batch students, I am offering courses from 5K to 55K. So all types of students, whoever is going to attempt 2023 exam, best of luck to all of you, and thank you for joining me and believing in me. Now come to this point. On 11th Feb we have GATE exam. So I will suggest you to keep yourself relaxed. When it is 8th Feb, 9th Feb and 10th Feb, you should maintain your sleep pattern. In the last 4-5 days, somehow you should maintain your sleep pattern, and you should also calculate how much time you will take to go to your center. And if you are using your own bike or vehicle, I will advise you that you should not drive the vehicle. You ask your parents or your brother, sister, siblings, whoever, or your friends, or book any Ola, Uber or any local transport in your thing, and you go to the center. You should not feel tired before exam hall. Don't eat so that you will feel washroom again and again or something. I will advise you that if you are not allergic about caffeine, then consume caffeine in source like coffee or something, and you go to the exam hall, because it will give you kind of freshness. Okay, so this is how you should take GATE exam. You should feel relaxed. There will be many questions what you will not be able to solve using your core concept, but the question will be like a play, so you can crack the question if you will think out of box. I have seen some questions, it used to be like, okay, this question belongs to this, for example, turbine, but actually that question you can crack just by simple concept sometimes. So what I am trying to say, your presence of mind should be working that day. Your IQ level should be at highest, whatever you have achieved till now. So again, I want to say thank you so much for trusting in me, for trusting in my material and not misusing my material. And some students, they have followed me completely. Some students, they joined me for crash course. At the same time, some students, they have joined me for 3 years and 2 years program also, and now all together they are going to write GATE exam 2023 for aerospace department. And some of the students, they could not follow my advice and my guidance, and I know that they have some other priorities, but at the same time they are trying to prepare for GATE exam. So students who have not completed their studies, because of some other priorities, but they are attempting GATE exam. For them I want to say that because your input is not of the required level, so whatever result will come, you should not feel bad about this. There are some examples, even people they have not cracked GATE exam, they are having very good life ahead. So GATE exam is one exam, just one exam. It is definitely, if you're qualifying the GATE exam, you are going to have a different life. You will be going to IIT, you will going to IISc, you will be going to for your master degree or PhD degree. But it's not like that is only the life for aerospace engineers or aeronautical engineers. But definitely, if there is anything bad about your rank, score or marks or something, you should not feel that like, oh, something like totally spoiled or something. No. In this talk, I don't want to give my own life reference, because I truly believe everyone is hero in their own life, and everyone's life is like a movie. You are the hero, either you are male student or female student. You are hero of your own life. Whatever happens in your GATE exam, okay, if you are going to join IIT, very good. If somehow you are missing, you should not think that this is your last thing, or GATE exam is something like, okay, I hope what I'm trying to say. So things are only depending on your preparation, because even IIT people, I mean IIT colleges, different IITs, even they want good people to do their master degree or to do their PhD degree. Okay, they don't want that person who is willing to join IIT, but who is not capable of handling the pressure of master degree or PhD degree. Once you will prepare for GATE exam, because you have prepared for GATE exam, so now you know that what is the length of the syllabus, what are the things we have to keep in mind, what are the subjects we love and what are the subjects we hate during GATE preparation. And if we are good enough to get very good rank, then IIT will welcome you. And if you are not good enough to qualify GATE exam with good rank, it does not mean that your life is spoiled or something. Okay, you may have heard the story or an example of like fish and bird, they are having different qualities and different things. Okay, one more thing, I don't want to make this as a motivational thing. I just want to say thank you for everything. And till my last moment of 2023 attempt, I was in contact with all types of students with full potential. Only one thing what I promised but I could not complete, already I have mentioned in the live class, that 275 test series, I said it was there, but I promised to give 400 test series. But because meanwhile I joined IIT for my research program, so because of that, in the last moment I could not complete the 275 test series to 400 test series. And I felt guilty for that also. But one thing, that 275 test series, they are actually sufficient in itself, because that test series was made for 2022 batch, GATE attempt 2022 batch. So that test series is sufficient. No doubt that in my test series I have not given sufficient engineering mathematics test series, because till 2022 batch it was like you have to practice mathematics a lot using different sources what I am providing in the drive course. So that was the intention. But this year I thought, okay, roughly 80 plus test series will be there from engineering mathematics, and 15 full length, and all. Like I had a plan to make my 275 test series to 400 test series. Again, I want to say that 275 test series are totally like they are absolutely ready and complete. Only math test series is missing, but for that already I have given sources to practice math questions, right? So I have to say sorry for that. But my intention was it was not like, okay, say 400 test series and take admission. and then later don't prepare for another test series. It was not like that. So already in that so whatever 15 full length test series you guys have practiced, and remaining topic wise, chapter wise, you have practiced. Many students, they have not completed all test series. So today is 6th, no, now it is 7th Feb, sorry, today, now when I'm making the video, it is 6th Feb of 2023. So 6th almost over, no, it will start, I'm shooting in night. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, only 5 days we have. So in this 5 days, because everything is done, it is just like a I want to say thank you again in this video. And one more thing, from my past experience, I want to connect something. In my past batches till 2022, I have different types of students. Many of them are in proper contact, many of them are not in contact. Okay, many of students, they have gone to IITs, but because of lack of time, I could not record their interviews. For example, Suraj is in my own IIT in Dharwad, but I could not take his interview. And many students are in different IITs. Because I don't give priority to interviews, if I have time, then first I spend that time with kind of students, doubts and all those things. And after that, if time is remaining, then only I go for YouTube and other advertisements like interviews or something else. So many of you could not come to live classes. You have taken video courses. Many of you could not come to the courses, but you have come to the test series. So when you are going through the study material, then definitely you are realizing that material is really satisfying. It is giving you what is required to qualify GATE exam. So again, best of luck for your 11th Feb 2023 GATE Aerospace exam. After exam, when exam will get over, then because this year I am not able to attend my GATE exam, because regular batch students will be asking doubts till last moment, or they need moral support till last moment. And it is my duty that before my GATE exam, their GATE exam is important for me. So if I will take flight from here to Banaras, because my center is in Banaras, it will consume my 14 hours. Because there is no direct flight from here to Banaras. I have some transport, like road transport journey as well. So in that journey, I will not be able to take calls. That's why I am avoiding this year GATE exam. So because I'm avoiding GATE exam, and intention is I have to be available for my students, whoever has enrolled for 2023 GATE exam in regular batch. Now one thing, 7th Feb, today is 6th Feb. 7th Feb will be the last date for those students who are not my regular batch students, who are my video course and distance program and test series courses. So those students can ask doubts only till 7th. From 8th they can't ask doubts or anything. From 8th, 9th and 10th I have to be available totally for my regular batch students. So even you guys, like if you are asking doubt till 11th Feb, it makes no sense. Long back we finished our syllabus. Long back I gave you a schedule to complete test series. Many of you joined test series very late. Many of you have joined my video courses very late. So definitely if you have joined late, then your syllabus will prepare very late. But during admissions, whatever I said, and during the course program, whatever I have said, many of you could not complete that. So anyway, till 7th only, means till 7th only you can ask your doubts. Students who are not in regular batch. Regular batch students, for them I will be available till your 11th Feb exam. And meanwhile, if I will be having free time from my regular batch students, definitely I will respond to other batch students as well. But take this as a point that for non-regular batch students like video course students and crash course students, you don't ask doubts anymore, because almost it is like only last moment, so I have to be available more. So you send your messages and calls or something, I mean audio messages, everything. Whenever I'll be free from my regular batch students, I'll be responding to your doubts. But only 3-4 days are remaining now. Okay, whatever feedback you have understood about your own preparation, like whatever mistakes you have done, like for example, if you feel that you have joined late, whatever is your expression, like what are you feeling now, you are in like nervous condition, you are in negative and positive condition, like if you want to discuss that part, so 7th is the last day. You let me know, you call me, you talk to me in WhatsApp, because now in these 3 days any numerical doubt will not help you, but any kind of moral support will definitely help you. So if you need any kind of guidance or any kind of moral support, then I am available for that, for all batches till 11th. But for the doubt portion of numericals or of any kind of theory, only regular batch students are allowed, other batches are not allowed. 7th will be the last day. I am not sounding rude, because already everything got over long back, and till 6th I was in contact with everyone, I was replying to everyone. Tomorrow is 7th, I will be available again for everyone, but after that 8th, 9th and 10th I'll be only available for my regular batch students. Okay, now the last moment. Last year when many people got seat into IIT, then some of the students, they strictly said they are not my students. They gave their name to different coaching center, and I was not expecting that, because I had a extremely I used to work hard with them when they used to ask their doubts. Like even you know this, I used to ask doubts, they used to ask doubt, and I used to explain their doubts. And I did not know that many students, that they are going to say that they have done this with self-study. When they qualified GATE exam, they joined IITs. After joining IITs, simply they are ignoring my text messages when I came to know their result or something through a third person, by a third person, that sir, this person is into IIT and qualified GATE exam. Then I said congratulations. After that also they did not respond, because they want to show that in their success I did not play any role, I don't have any role, they have done self-study and qualified GATE exam. So even that is a very bad experience what I had, because being a teacher, I need only 2 things from you. One is my fees, because that is my source of income, and another one is the last moment when you are being qualified and going to IIT. Then if you are considering that you have been into ConceptLibrary, it gives me kind of satisfactory thing, because when I am explaining you doubts, why I am saying like this, because many students, they used to join in crash course batch, but still I used to explain their doubts beyond the limitations of crash course batch. Really, because you guys are, if you are my crash course batch students, you may be knowing this, that beyond the limitation of crash course batch, I used to explain your doubts, because once you have joined me, my intention is, after that my intention is like, somehow you have to qualify the GATE exam. So if you have any doubt question, then I used to explain the doubt question. So this year again you guys will qualify the GATE exam, so I am not expecting that someone is going to say that or someone is going to ignore my messages when I am saying congratulations. It will be more better if from your side itself you are sending me WhatsApp messages that, sir, I qualified GATE exam and I have got this much rank. See guys, actually last year students are also in pending. I have not uploaded their interview because of lack of time. But with many students, we are in contact properly, and many students, they are not in contact. So that is their own attitude. I can't comment anything on that. Anything. In my personal life also, my teachers and my mentors, how I behave, I used to expect that everyone should behave same, but it is like not possible with everyone. So now video is being lengthy, 20 minutes. This should be a relaxing type thing. Your exam is very close, and I can now, the last moment, I can only give you best wishes and best of luck. You should feel that whatever journey we have done for this 1 year, it should be worth. You should have patience in that 3 hours. You should be calm in that 3 hours, because that 3 hours is going to decide your rank. If you are very good, for example, if you are very good in 2D vibration, but if you are doing a single numerical mistake in 2D vibration, then it's like you don't know 2D vibration, right? Because GATE exam is only about getting marks. If you are able to achieve 60 marks by easy questions, then first you do easy questions. How will you judge easy questions? For that, already I have made EMT trick. So for EMT trick, you can watch the video. And students who will who wants to, like, see, on 11th Feb when exam will get over, because I am not taking the GATE exam paper, so some students are there, my regular batch students and crash course batch students and tertiary students. They can send me their memory based questions, that sir, this was the question, this was the question, this was the question, this was the question. And already I have some students, with them I will be talking everything in detail about the question paper. And because everyone is not free immediately after GATE exam, they will be busy, they have to go through the transport, they have to go back to their home. But some students, we have a proper setup, so immediately from them I'll be knowing everything, and I will review the question paper. Now 2023 question paper, what you are going to write, that question paper is almost over. Now whatever you had to do, you did. Whatever right or wrong you had to do, you did. Now how many questions are right, how many questions are wrong, nothing makes practically any sense. Now what is the next step? Next step is wait for your score. When you are getting your score, whatever score you are getting, according to that score, you have to apply for different IITs for your admission. So your admission part is actually critical. There many students may do mistake, like in first round, in second round, in, like, you may be knowing that there is something called CoAP website, government website, so there you have to register, blah things are there. So to all, like, at this admission post GATE exam, whatever things are there in your package, or I will be there for that. What to do, what not to do, I'll be guiding you for that. And for 2024, 2025, 2026, I mean for the upcoming GATE exam, my next batch will start immediately on 15th Feb. So on 15th Feb, new batch is starting. So other students, they will continue the day 1 class on 15th Feb. And again, it will start with the concept of continuum. And yeah, things will go in same way, whatever like the way I have been with you, in same way I will be with the upcoming batches. And whatever like a kind of connection or attachment you had with me, we will try to maintain the same thing. When you are going into IIT, you will be having different type of lifestyle there, again different type of pressure. Whatever you have prepared in GATE exam, all the subjects, they will not work there. You have to choose your own courses as per a credit required in different IITs and IISc. So, but definitely whatever you have prepared for GATE exam, those concepts will work there. Okay, so I will be available for my regular batch students for guiding them through their complete admission program. So this is my strategy. Whoever is joining me for as a regular batch students, I used to guide them throughout the admission procedure also, how to apply, what to apply, when to apply these things. Okay, so that's all from my side. Keep revising, and main thing is the 3 hours on 11th Feb 2023, that should go with your best IQ, that should go with your best presence of mind. You should be thinking out of box everywhere, wherever it is required. You should not feel that this question is being solved with this particular formula. And I have reviewed the 3 question papers of other branches. So after going through those 3 question papers, I found that our apti questions this year is coming very easy. Tonight evening session I could not review, and like apti is coming very easy. I hope apti for aerospace will also come easy. Only hoping. Don't take this for granted. Already you guys are ready for this. And if you have had, see, whatever I am saying, that is different. If you truly believe whatever is your experience with me, if you feel that I am a good coach for GATE Aerospace, you share about me, about ConceptLibrary to your with your juniors. Even they will come to know that there is someone like me and ConceptLibrary for GATE Aerospace exam. This will be another favor for me also, and for your juniors and for your friends as well. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much, and please follow the guidance what I have given. One last thing, on 7th Feb, you call me, you give me audio messages, WhatsApp messages, like what are the problems you have, what kind of guidance you need, where are you being stuck. Okay, after 7th, other students will not ask any numerical doubt or anything else from test series or assignment from anywhere. Only after 7th, only regular batch students are allowed. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.